Good morning, student. Today we are going to see the second exercise of chapter number 2, which is the different forms of energy, right? Different forms of energy. This is section B of a second exercise. Okay. Now, let's see what is mechanical energy. Mechanical energy. Energy possessed by the body due to its state of rest and state of motion. Right? What is this? Energy possessed by body due to its state of रेस्ट. बॉडी जब रेस्ट पोजीशन में होगी या तो बॉडी मोशन पोजीशन में होगी, देन इट possesses a mechanical energy. This mechanical energy get divided into two different forms. One is a potential energy, which is due to the state of rest, and one of them is kinetic energy, which is due to motion of the body. Right? Now, what is potential energy? Let's see example. Body placed at height, okay, h. Body placed at height h from the ground. ग्राउंड के हाइट h के ऊपर रखी हुई कोई भी बॉडी होगी तो वो बॉडी पोजेस करती है पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. Second example I can give, wound up watch. वॉच जो होती है उसकी की हम भर देते हैं, भरने के वजह से वो कांटा जो है वो धीरे धीरे घूमने लगता है. मिनट हैंड, सेकेंड हैंड starts rotating because they possesses a potential energy. More example, let's see. Compressed spring. If the spring is compressed, then also we find that it possesses a potential energy. Then stretched bow. Stretched bow. Okay, आर्चरी में हम जिसका यूज करते हैं वो, राइट, वो स्ट्रेच करके हमने अगर रखा है तो वी कैन से इट possesses a potential energy. Right? Now this potential energy get categorized in two different forms. First form is gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. Right? Each body experiences force due to the attraction. Right? We know each body experiences force due to attraction. Okay? Attraction के वजह से हर एक बॉडी फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करती है. Okay? And especially we can say the body which are over here on the earth, they experiences a gravitational force. Right? There is a force of attraction to the earth which is experienced by the body which is on the earth. अर्थ के ऊपर पड़ी हुई सभी जो बॉडीज है वो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं जिसका पुल डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में है. इसके वजह से वो बॉडीज ग्राउंड के ऊपर पड़ी हुई है. राइट? नाउ वी कैन से डिफाइन इट एज एनर्जी. How to define gravitational potential energy? Energy possessed by body due to force of attraction of earth on it. Right? ये ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स की डेफिनेशन हम कह सकते हैं. energy possessed by body due to force of attraction of the earth फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन डालता है बॉडी के ऊपर और वो उधर खींची आती है, राइट. नाउ द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द बॉडी फ्रॉम द अर्थ, डिस्टेंस ऑफ बॉडी फ्रॉम अर्थ as increases, okay, the distance of the body from the earth as increases, then we can say force of attraction between that body and the earth decreases. Due to that, we can say that gravitational potential energy increases. When the body reaches to infinite distance, then gravitational potential energy become zero. अगर बॉडी एक बार इंफिनिटी पर चली गई, इनफाइनाइट डिस्टेंस उसमें पास कर लिया, तो बॉडी जो है ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी उसमें जीरो हो जाएगी, राइट. दैट इज द पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, दैट इज नथिंग बट इलास्टिक potential energy. Elastic potential energy. We know that when we are applying a force on the non-rigid body, then it gets deformed. Means there is a change in size and shape. Let's take an example of the sponge. If you are applying external force on the sponge, then we find that air filled in it, remove out, evolved out, and due to that its shape gets changed. Right? So, whenever the external force is applied over the body, it gets deformed. Okay? So, on removal of this force, it again regain its shape. Regain its shape means उसके ओरिजिनल शेप पे फिर से आ जाती है जब हम उसके ऊपर का फोर्स हटा देते हैं. Right? So, what we can say, definition for elastic potential energy. Potential energy possessed by body, energy possessed by body due to change in its shape or size after applying external force. एक्सटर्नल फोर्स लगाने के बाद बॉडी का शेप और साइज चेंज होना मीन्स उसमें इलास्टिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी का होना, राइट. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट इलास्टिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी मोर अबाउट ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. ओके, 1 minute. Gravitational potential energy. How we can deduce expression for it? Gravitational potential energy is measured by amount of work done in lifting body up from ground to height h. यानी ग्राउंड पे जो बॉडी पड़ी हुई है उसको हाइट h पे रख देना. ओके, हाइट h पे हमने उसको रख देना. सो इट possesses gravitational potential energy. Let's say an example. Assume that the body of a mass m is on the ground when get lifted up by applying the force which experiences a gravity in downward direction. So value of the force become mg, displaced by a height h. Then the what I said, it is measured by the amount of work done. Amount of work done W, which is nothing but force into displacement. What is the force? mg. And what is the displacement? Means body get displaced by height h, which is nothing but s. Okay, so h. So we get the expression for potential energy as mgh. Okay, student. So this is whole about the potential energy and its type. Two types of potential energy is there. First is gravitational potential energy and second one is elastic potential energy. Okay, let's see. Example, when body is thrown up. Say example, body is thrown up, then as the height of the body from the ground increases, then the potential energy possessed by the body also increases. Similarly, body is released from height. Okay, body is released from the height, or we can say example for free fall body. Then what we find? The height of the body decreases. So as the height of the body decreases, its potential energy also decreases. As it reach to the ground, then potential energy become zero. यानी कोई भी बॉडी को अगर हमने ऊपर फेंकने की वजह से जैसे जैसे उसकी हाइट बढ़ती जाएगी वैसे वैसे पोटेंशियल एनर्जी बढ़ती जाएगी। एक बॉडी को हमने नीचे की तरफ फेंका, जैसे ऊपर फेंका था वैसे नीचे फेंका। अगर हमने फ्री फॉल बॉडी का एग्जांपल लिया, यहां पर उसकी से हाइट h1 थी, अभी उसकी हाइट हो गई h2, ओके h2 थी और बाद में h1 होगी, यहां पर h1 कहते हैं। ओके, देन व्हाट वी फाइंड? As the height of the body falling from height h decreases, then the potential energy also decreases. And when this body reaches to the ground के ऊपर वो बॉडी आके टपकेगी, तब हम कहेंगे potential energy possessed by this body is zero. Why this? Because potential energy is expression we got mgh. Potential energy is directly proportional to mass. It is directly proportional to gravity. Also, it is directly proportional to height. So, as height becomes zero, it is a product. So, potential energy also becomes zero. Right? When it reaches to the ground. Body reaches to the ground means there is a no height. So, it is very clear that the potential energy possessed by the body is due to gain in height from the earth. Gain in height from the earth. अर्थ से ऊपर जितनी जितनी हाइट वो लेती जाएगी उतनी ज्यादा पोटेंशियल एनर्जी वो पाएगी। बट एक बार अगर वो बाहर निकल गई, यानी इंफिनिटी डिस्टेंस पे चली गई, इनफाइनाइट डिस्टेंस पे चली गई, देन द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी पोसेस्ड बाय सच अ बॉडी इज जीरो। इंफिनिटी के ऊपर भी, इंफिनिटी की तरफ चली गई ना, तो बॉडी का पोटेंशियल एनर्जी जीरो हो जाता है। राइट, तो स्पेसिफिक हाइट कितना तय भी वो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स पुल काम करेगा। राइट, नेक्स्ट इज, लेट्स अज्यूम दैट द बॉडी इज इनिशियली एट पोजीशन A and then reaches to the position B, means it is at height h1 and then goes to height h2 where h2 is greater than h1। इस तरीके से बॉडी ऊपर जा रही है, थ्रोन ऑफ बॉडी। राइट, now what we can say here, we find gain in potential energy, क्योंकि बॉडी हाइट h1 पे थी और वो अभी h2 पे चली गई, h2 पे चली गई और h2 इज ग्रेटर देन h1, मींस हाइट बढ़ रही है। हाइट बढ़ रही है, इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है? गेनिंग पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। सो दैट गेनिंग पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज नथिंग बट potential energy at a final stage minus potential energy at an initial state. This is a final state and this is initial state. इनिशियल ए पे थी, अभी वो बी पे चली गई है. सो व्हाट विल बी ओवर हियर एट द पोजीशन ए, सॉरी एट द पोजीशन बी विच इज अ फाइनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी विच इज mgh2. यहां पे पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कितना होगा, m तो वही है मास, ग्रेविटी भी फील वही कर रहा है, बट हाइट h2 उसने गेन कर ली है. यहाँ पे मास वही था बॉडी का हाइट h1 पे, ग्रेविटी भी वही फील कर रहा है और h1 हाइट गेन कर ली है. सो फाइनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी mgh2 और इनिशियल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी mgh1. वी कैन सी mg इज कॉमन ओवर हियर, h2 minus h1. So this is the expression for gaining potential energy. Similarly, if a body is at position A and falls down to position B, right? Now here it is at a height say h1 or it is at h2. Okay, then what is loss in here? What we find, height decreases, so here loss in energy. So I can say loss in potential energy is, okay, loss in potential energy is potential energy initially minus potential energy at final stage. Potential energy at initial stage is mgh1 minus potential energy at final stage is mgh2. So what I get, mg as a common, h1 minus h2. This is the relation for loss in potential energy. Okay, this is whole about the potential energy. In the next period we will see about the kinetic energy, its expression and types. Okay, thank you.